How to save locations you like on Instagram Map. First of all, open the Instagram app and make sure you are signed in to your account. Then tap the message icon in the top right corner of the screen or from the middle of the bottom navigation bar to open your inbox. At the top of the inbox screen, you will see a map option. Tap Map to open it. If Instagram asks for location permission, make sure to allow it so the app can display nearby posts and locations accurately. Once the map opens, browse posts and stories shared by other users or view locations you have tagged in your own post. To save a location, tap on the marker for that location and then tap the bookmark icon. This will save it to your collection for easy access later. You can create different locations for restaurant, cafes, travel spot or any places you want to remember. To access your saved location, go to your profile, tap the saved section and view all your collections organized by category. This feature is perfect for planning trips, keeping track of local favorite or remembering spots you want to visit in the future. Now you know how to save locations you like on Instagram Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more social media tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.